This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rick Holt. Soleil is considered by many to be the premier development on Panama City Beach. This Gulf-front unit sitting on the world's most beautiful beaches, you can enjoy the best of luxury living. This beautiful ground floor penthouse unit has everything you would want in a beach home with 12-feet ceilings, stainless steel appliances, gas fireplace, and summer kitchen with gas grill on a 1,700 square feet patio with its very own 16 by 10 private plunge pool just a few steps away from the Mater Suite. The complex features a very large lagoon-style pool, Gulf-front fitness center, tropical landscaping, hot tubs and 450 feet of beautiful Gulf-front beach. Just a short drive to Pier Park and the new international airport. All information is believed to be correct but should be verified by the buyer. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Holt at 850-249-6100.